fellow viewers, we are moving on. We are doing the flowchart, that is to do with the pseudocode in paper 1 computer paper 1. So computer paper 1, in most cases they'll give you a flowchart like this where you just do a simple thing. Here we go, but with this topic it's very important for you to know a lot of formula. It means a lot of formula in other topics. Now since they have talked about a cylinder and I've talked about the volume, all what I know is the volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. So they are telling me that, Angel, I'm looking for h. Since I'm looking for h, they have already given me the volume, so I should understand, I should make this h the subject of the formula by saying, okay, I will just divide both sides by pi r squared, Be careful, so that this will go, and my h now is like this. What are the variables which I will understand? I'll use this formula, which is pi r squared. So this is the formula which should appear here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the formula which should appear under your process. What I did here, I had to make the h the subject formula. Making the subject formula of h, I'll have this. What are the variables which are here? This is why now you say, because here in the input box, this is what we call input box, you have to write the word enter. After you write the word enter, you have to identify your variables. This is a pi. This is a pi. Remember, I'll put a star so that we don't forget. This is a pi, it's a number. It is 22/7. Since it is a number, ladies and gentlemen, it's not supposed to appear here. So we just put letters. I put V and I put R. Don't say R because there are two R's. No, just put one R like that. So these are the variables you should put there. So what are you supposed to put here? You have to say now your formula, full formula is equal to H. You can see if I didn't make H the subject formula, I would have made a blunder here. So make sure that you put whatever they have asked you. So I had to make this equation. This is the formula which should appear there under the process. Now I should divide. Remember, computer does not recognize multiplication. So with this one, since it is a pseudocode, it's fine, I can write it, but it is very important that you put a asterisk, then you put R, then V, you put a 2 like that. So please, ladies and gentlemen, this means R squared. By so doing, you have done the correct thing. It means you have gotten it right. So what am I saying? I'm saying, what is that which we put in the input box? Input box, we put the variables. So you have to identify the variables which are supposed to be there. Why didn't I put the pi? Pi is a number which is 22/7. I hope you are enjoying. A pi is a number. A pi is a number. Therefore, you are not supposed to put it in the enter. And how did I come up with this one? I had to make H the subject of the formula. By so doing, these are free marks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hope you are enjoying. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much. We continue. It's not always that they'll give you in a flowchart form. Again, it will come like a pseudocode. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a pseudocode. It is a flowchart in words. There, where we are coming from, it was a flowchart in diagram. You saw the diagram. So here it is a flowchart in words called a pseudocode. So now they're asking us to say, how do we finish this one? What is important here? You were lucky. People here, they were lucky that they were given the formula on how to find the area of the curved surface area of a cone. You were given, which is very okay. So here, like you are. So in an event that you are not given, please, you should master this, should know it. So you should identify your variables here. My variables is R and S, so I'll enter here R and S. After entering R and S, I will write the full formula here, but remember, I should put asterisk R asterisk S. It means we are done. So this is how we do it. There is nothing special about this. So simple. You just have to, insert the variables and then there on the formula. Some people will say, sir, is it correct? If you can write it like this here, you can write it. There is no problem because this is a pseudocode. You can even say pi rs. It's fine because this is a flowchart in words. But when it comes to flowchart, whenever you draw, if it is a diagram, make sure that where there is multiplication, you put the asterisk. That is the emphasis which I would like us to share. Thank you so much. God bless you. Today we are done with the computer in paper 1, how you should answer it. So rule number 1, please be careful when you are given a flowchart. Make sure that you understand where you should put your variables. And please, by so doing, you deserve those 2 marks. I'm sure we are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. Tell your neighbor, say neighbor, Salbe is on air. Please subscribe, share, comment. I love it and the things are happening. Thank you so much. Please, let's share the link. I've seen that people asking me, what is your link? What is what? It's like you people who are following me, you're not sharing the link with your friends. Thank you so much. God bless you.